Hi guys, this is Saurav. In this video, we will learn how we can create an app to connect with other device using Bluetooth. Okay, so here we see the example first. Now let's see, here you can see that's the app here. Here's one button, scan, then connect, disconnect, and that one, the status is not connected, right? My Bluetooth is on right now and my laptop Bluetooth is also on. Now let's click on the scan button. And you will see here there are a lot of Bluetooths here. Okay, and I'm going to click on Saurav's MacBook here. So I'm going to click on this button and just click on this connect and wait a second. You will see connected. Now let's create this project. So we need to click on start new project. We are using here MIT App Inventor to create an app. Okay, so I'm using here, click on start new project, and that's my connection, that's my app name. Okay, you can type any other name here, and now you can see here that's the screen here. Now we need to drag and drop. First thing, that one is list box, list picker, that one. Okay, just drag and drop this. Okay, and just make this one with this fill parent, and make this one where it's text, that one is text, and make it scan, 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 like this. Okay, now make it font bold like this, and you can change this font size also. You can design your app according to your requirement. Now here we need one more thing, that one is layout, and this should be horizontal arrangement like this, and make this with this fill parent like this. Now here we need to drag and drop two buttons to for the connection. This one button is for scanning, and this will get the Bluetooth devices nearby our own device. And here we need two buttons for connect, and second one is for disconnect. Okay, click on horizontal arrangement and make this one align vertical to center and align horizontal to center. Okay, click on button 1 and rename this button to connect. Okay, and that one is BTN. Okay, and then click on another button and rename this button and disconnect BTN, right? Click on connect BTN and change this text from the button, and click on another button and make this one text is also change it like this, disconnect. Now fine, there are two buttons, there is one scan button. Now we need to use here one label to display the status of our Bluetooth device. Like now this one is not connected, right? Great. Now let's see, we have to drag and drop one more thing. We need to use here connectivity, and you will see here Bluetooth client. Okay, you just need to drag and drop this Bluetooth client here. This one is non-visible component. Okay, now let's go to the block section, and whenever someone click on this list picker, then when list picker dot before picker, so we have to scan the Bluetooth, right? Then what we will do, we have to get the address of a nearby device. Okay, so what we will do, just click on this list picker and you will find here list picker dot element, this one, just drag and drop this, and here we need to click on Bluetooth client, and you will see here Bluetooth dot client dot address and names. Okay, this method will save and display all nearby Bluetooth device name in your list here. Okay, now we have to pick one Bluetooth device to connect with our own device. So what we will do, we need to use here one more thing. Let's click on list picker and just using here after picking. Okay, like this, and click on label and make this one set label one dot text like this, and just click on text, just drag and drop this text and just type here connect your device like this. Okay, now whenever someone click on the connect device, it means the connect button, you will see here connect button, then what we will do, we just need to connect this that one is that Bluetooth device. Okay, so how we can do this? So just click on list picker and you have to find here selection, list picker dot selection. You will see here where it is. You will see here set list picker dot selection. Okay, so set list picker dot selection should be, just click on this Bluetooth client and you will find here call Bluetooth client and then connect an address. You will see second this one, just drag and drop this, and now address is list picker one dot selection. So just click on list picker and you will see here list picker dot selection, where it is, this one, like this. Okay, so just whenever we click on this list picker before, this will show the all address. Whenever we pick, it means that one is after pick, when this label will display connect your device, and after selection, this will, whenever we click on the connect button, this will connect the selected device with our on device. Okay, now that's the connection. Now we have to display, we have to change the label one dot text. We have to change it to as a connected, because now is this one is connected, like this. Now we have to disconnect this one. So what we will do, just click on disconnect button, and whenever someone click on this disconnected button, so just make this, arrange it like this. Now whenever someone click on disconnect BTN, then what we will do, we have to call one simple method. That one is just click on Bluetooth client and you will find your disconnect option, where this one call BTN client dot disconnect, and we have to change this label text like this, simple, and make this disconnect. Okay, so disconnected, fine. So that's very easy. Now let's run this app and how it's work. So you can see here in the my laptop, I'm going to open my laptop here, laptop Bluetooth here. You will see that one is not connected right now. Now let's run this app. Now let's see, here you can see that's the app here. Here's one button, scan, then connect, disconnect, and that one, the status is not connected, right? My Bluetooth is on right now and my laptop Bluetooth is also on. Now let's click on the scan button and you will see here there are a lot of Bluetooths here. Okay, and I'm going to click on Saurav's MacBook here. So I'm going to click on this button and just click on this connect and wait some second. You will see connected. Let's see my laptop. Here you can see that one is connected. You can see the sign of connected. This one is right now is bold, right? So it means that one is connected. Okay, you can connect any other device with your on device. Okay, so that's very easy way and process to connect Bluetooth with your on mobile to other devices using your on app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.